Hello everybody, it's Paul Neeson with the Real Life Health Show. Here I am in my new kitchen and I wanted to show everybody some amazing stuff. I just picked the papaya off my tree and I just had the papaya off the tree. But then I look around my kitchen and I realize, wow, how much food I got. I picked this yesterday off the tree. This is a lemon and I picked it a little green, should have picked it a little yellow, but this is a lemon right off my tree. So I got a lemon, I got papaya, these are jackfruit seeds. These actually didn't come from my tree, but I have the same jackfruit with that. And then an egg fruit. This is canasteel, right off my local tree. But this is my favorite here. Look at that. Bananas. These are bananas, literally, right off the tree. And they're a little green, so I was skeptical if they were ripe or not. But they were soft, so I figured I'd try them. Wow. And then I'm going to have this avocado later that I got right from my tree. When you find the best tasting food in the world and you have to buy it, that's one thing. There's only one thing better, getting it for free. I'm going to go out there. I see some figs on the tree right now. I might get some free figs. This is what it's about. This is it. And people think it's easy to have a tree, a fruit tree, and sometimes it is. Some trees are easier than others, but some of them take work. I have an avocado tree back there that's not growing that well. So I have to, I'm watering it right now and praying about it and trying to figure it out. But some trees are easier than others. It's my choice for the ones that I pick, but these bananas were so good I had to get on, make a video and let everybody know. I don't have any, and by the way, this was about 5 times as big as this. There were over 100 bananas on here. And I didn't eat them all, no, I froze some of them so I could use them for smoothies. There's just not enough to eat. It's so good. And the avocados, I must have over 100 on my tree. This is one of the first ones to get ripe. And it just keeps getting better and better. I had some Sermon cherries earlier today out there. It's really great. And I'm here in South Florida. I'm having a raw food retreat here in South Florida, November 9th, 10th, and 11th. If anyone's interested in that, I'll post the link below the video. But every retreat I've had so far is sold out. We only have 30 people, 25 to 30 people. It's going to be great. And I just gave a bag of leches, local fresh leches, to my neighbor that I froze in the summer, and he just came back home. You don't know what you're missing until you taste the real food. And if you're getting the food at a local produce market, somehow wait till it's ripe. I mean, real food is not ripe unless it's picked off the tree ripe. And the taste is like night and day difference, but this is the second batch of bananas I took off these trees. I would take the video camera out there and show you all, but the connection sometimes doesn't stay. It goes in and out, but I got jackfruit tree. Jackfruit recently I picked off the tree. I got lemon, white sapote, sugar apple, lychee, mangoes, mamey, avocados, persimmons, mulberries, acerola cherries. It's a great raw life. Come check us out for our raw food retreat. Alright, if you guys have any questions each week, I do a live Q&A on the channel. And I'll get on there again maybe Wednesday night or Thursday night for our live Q&A. I'm excited. I'm going to be doing more videos in my kitchen, my new kitchen that's up. I love the subway tiles. And I just wanted to show you guys again. Right from the tree. Amazing, amazing. Until then, everybody have a great day, and I'll be back later with another video. Bye.